Back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today I'll be showing you how to change your MacBook wallpaper. So all you need to do is find the settings anywhere on your tab, wherever it's at. You want to click on it. You can search up wallpaper. From there it's going to send you the desktop picture. You want to click on this. Once you have done that, you can scroll through and find a bunch of different options on what you want for your wallpaper. So you'll have to download it, whichever one you may click. So I'll click this one, for example. As you can see, it changes in the background. You can change it to whatever you would like. You can also change the colors as well. Just a blank color on your screen as well, but I prefer these more. So do that, and then it changes. So hope this helped. If it did, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps out the channel a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.